Hello YouTube, we are back with another video, and today we are at Pleasure House Point Trail. We have not did a video in a very long time. Well, we haven't did a full video in a long time. We've been doing shorts and stuff, and we've been going crazy on the shorts. But today we are doing a full video. It looks really nice outside. The sun's not too bright. Some nice clouds out. So I'm hoping it gives like a nice mood for the pictures. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG DominicB_photography. It will be in the description below. And let's strap in. And we are strapped in. You know, we gotta take a picture of the trail. I actually think I like the landscape picture of the trail in this instance. Maybe I should get like a close-up of it. Yeah, that would be cool. I might like the vertical of this too. I mean the landscape of this too. I will say the sky isn't as blue as I thought it was going to be. Not even as blue as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more, I don't know. Like it's mostly like it just looks like a sheet of cloud. Oh, do I like this? I kind of don't want that in the shot. Like, do you see how? Let me turn on the ISO actually. Dang, I try not to take too many pictures of like this guy's gonna be this white or like overexposed. I actually like these trees. Wow. I'm not used to people actually coming out in the world. I actually like this picture. Dang. Kind of want another downward angle. I'm not gonna cut. I kind of like to have some type of focused or like at least a foreground or something now. Like this. This is kind of nice. I can have like the tree as the foreground with the trail in the background, even though I kind of don't want it like that much in focus. There we go. Maybe a little bit more down. Once again, we got a foreground element. Let's get this in the foreground. I don't know if I want that big tree in the foreground actually. I mostly want this back over here. Ooh. Maybe we should do the tree as the... I actually want to do one where this tree is actually like... Yeah, like that. What the heck? Those birds sound crazy. Without the viewfinder, it's like too bright. So have that in the corner and then have like a leader line. There we go. These trees are amazing. I'm not gonna lie. These trees are actually crazy. I want to do a macro of this tree. There we go. Actually, I don't know which one I like better. We'll see. Get it from the other side. You can see more of the trees. See, now look at that. We have a foreground. We have a nice little trail leading into the scenery that I don't think you guys can see. Hold up, let me see if I can. Wow, I did not know how pretty this trail would be. Like, I used to take, this one's not that bad. Just because there's like multiple elements. This one's actually not that bad. I'll take this one. I'll take that one. Should I get both of the small trees or just one of them? I'll do one of them. And then maybe for like, I don't know if I like both of them. Maybe this. That might be good, actually. And I'll do something like this too. I think that first one got it though. Path. See if I can get y'all to look at this. Put the path in the bottom right corner and have it lead in to the left. Maybe get more. Oh, look at this. Whoa. We gotta, actually, this is like so like, these rocks are so leveled, not leveled, but like so raised. It might mess up the picture if I bend. Let me see. Actually, it kinda doesn't. with the rocks as the foreground is nice. And we are back in the car. So we will be coming back. I really want to come during the fall, but I'm definitely going to take a trip during the spring because it's still like, it's like winter going on to spring. Well, obviously you guys know, you guys know the date. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow IG Dominic B _photography. I will see you in the next video.